Hi, this is Sara. Welcome back to Hello Iran TV. In this video, I will show you Rose Water Festival in Kashan City in Iran. So join me. Just to let you know, you can find the best rose water in the world in Iran in Kashan City. And in spring, usually between mid-May till end of the June is the best time for making rose water in this city. The cultivation of roses, damask roses, or in Persian we say Mohammadi roses, dates back to around over 7,000 years ago. And since 1,000 years ago, people are celebrating this beautiful festival. So because of that, this time of the year, I just came to Kashan to join this beautiful festival making rose water. Rose water is made by distillation of roses, damask roses or Mohammadi roses. Since it was from years ago, so people used old equipments and traditional ways. And by the developing of technology, definitely their equipments developed, but still people in here are using traditional ways for making rose water and using old equipments. These are all our rose waters. They sell in here and they make it in here. So right behind me, as you can see, they are distillating the roses, damask roses, and making rose water by the old equipment or traditional way.
And it's a belief who turns on the gas stove and make a wish, then the wish may come true. And as you can see, these ladies are volunteers for turning on the gas stove.
It's a kind of tradition. They pour rose water on the hands. The flower pickers, they believe, and it's a kind of myth, they have to pick the flowers early morning before sunrise and they have to finish it before noon, because in this way the flowers have strong odor. Hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful festival. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Also, please comment below this video and let me know what you think about Rose Water Festival. Thank you very much for watching.